Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lani Aspan from Himamaylan City, Negros Occidental. I am 43 years old. I am married and blessed with 2 kids, ages 17 and 12 years old. I am trustworthy, responsible, and kind person. If I get hired, my husband will take care of my children. I want to come to Hong Kong to support my family, especially my children. My work experience was in Saudi Arabia from June 2018 to November 2020. I served 8 members of the family, 1 couple, 5 children ages 24 and the twins 22, 16 and 9-year-old boy and 1 grandma. My main duties and responsibilities there is cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and washing the clothes. My second work experience was in Dubai. From November 2022 to November 2024, I served 4 members of the family, 1 couple, and the 2 children, ages 3 years old and 3 months old. My main responsibilities there is to taking care of the children, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing, and cooking. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper, and I promise to serve you as my own family. And I promise to finish my contract and stay as long as you want me. Thank you and God bless.